Hello everyone, welcome to another video by FundableX. So what's happening with the market today, right? To start with, I got 3 SLs for the day, right? So let me give you an overall structure, what I was planning for the day, and how did the market gave me a very good trap to get into my SLs. What I could have done better. I feel like there was nothing to be done better. Either I should have waited for the market to just settle down, right? So first of all, this was my point of view on EU. So EU, this is a higher time frame order block I have marked out. So Asian session has been done, right? Once the Asian session has been done, I was patiently waiting what's the market is going to give it to us. Now I have a point of sell area over here, and I have marked this level, right? Just above the mid level, I was having a point of interest. I'm not going to directly enter from that point, but I was having a point of interest because the market is downtrend. Maybe there may be some reactions, take a liquidity, and the market may have a chance to drop down, right? But after that, what I did was I was observing the market. The market reacted from this order block area, right? From this bottom area, the market has reacted. So the reaction was very good, and the market went up and it started to consolidate, right? Everything was fine. There's a chart and there's a 5-minute chart up. So everything was clean. So as usually what I used to do is when the market comes down to this point, I would either go to a buy entry. So that is what I personally do on markets. Now let me shift it to 1 minute. So as you guys can see, it was a clear structure. Market came here, tapped into this level, the market has given a shift, left out some fair value gaps with the structure liquidities over here. 5-minute charge confirmed and liquidities over here, and it has created a kind of a choppy market, right? Now where was the trap? So this was the trap which I was trapped into. So I was having 2 point of interest, right? One is over here and one is over here. Now once the market started to give me a very impulsive move, right, my mindset just got changed. It took out the liquidity over here. Suddenly the market has dropped. What I did, I just marked over here. I was planning to make a sell at this point, but the market I felt like the market was kind of struggling to this point because it came up and came to a discounted area. So let me show you this. It came to a discounted area, see, 0.5%. It came to a discounted area. So I was like, okay, fine, the market is struggling over here and the breaker block has been respected and there was a wick down and there was a bearish candle to support these points and all. What I did, once the market came down, I took a limit order, 3 pip stop loss, kept it above this area. My stop loss was taken. So that was a nice trap done by the institutions. Now what I could have done better, what I personally look into is nothing, because there is a structural liquidity over here, and if the market have tapped into this area, if this impulsive move have tapped into this area, I would have not took any kind of SLs because I was ready to go a buy from this point, because charge, everything was given, structural liquidity, everything was aligned up, and I would have went for a long entry. But this is what the market has tricked me. They have left out this fair value gap for a later time to come and pick it up. Now I have trapped on this, my SL got hit. Now after that the market is just flied off. See, market just went very aggressively, took out every levels over here. It took out the Asian highs, took out the higher time frame liquidities. Everything has been taken out, right? Right now I don't have any point of view right now, because now the market has totally went from a sell zone to a buy zone. Okay, now what was my next entry? This was my first entry. My next entry was on GBPUSD. My first entry, which I have posted it on my Telegram channel. This was my point of interest. Honestly speaking, this was my point of interest. I was planning to sell when the Asian session was over here. I was like, okay, maybe it is going to tap into the zone, give me some shifting, and the market is going to drop down, because the market is already on a sell zone area and it has took out these liquidities as well. So I was like, okay, maybe the market is going to come back down. See, it has took out this liquidity. I was expecting the market to drop down, but again what happened was liquidity is over here, breakout structures, everything was given, liquidity sweep has been done, there it has kept a equal low, right? Now my first trap on my trade was, let me show you my Telegram channel as well, so you'll have an idea what I was discussing, right? Over here, see, yeah. So first what I was planning was, if the market, if the GBP breaks this level, so it has given a chotch up, and I was planning waiting for the market to come down. Okay, if the market, see, this was my point of view, if the market breaks the low, then shorts are the best, because I was planning for a short entry at this point. After that, what happened, the market went up, came down, and over here the market has given very good momentum. Okay, I didn't take it because I was there was no structural liquidities or nothing. The market just dropped drastically, right? Then what happened was, the market went up again, came down, went up again, came down again, same like this pattern. Now what I was thinking was, okay, there is a structural liquidity and this liquidity as well, so the market may be having a very good momentum, may have a very good momentum for the final takeoff. Because what's in the market? The market is having liquidity is resting above, right? So the market has a tendency to go up. So that was my point of view. Market has a potential to go up. But unfortunately, what happened was, market took out my stop loss here. Then it came for another level, right? From this level, it came for another level over here. Then it has kept an equal low. Then the market has shot up. Okay, fine. So if there is an equal low, that is a liquidity. That is how I personally look into the market. Then I marked this order block, took my entry over here based on 1 minute time frame. It was a limit order entry, and what happened? My stop loss got triggered, and I took a loss on GBP/USD. So I took a loss over here on a short trade. Long trade also I took my stop loss. It was a nice trap, right? It was a very nice trap from the institutions. And now it has broken my levels, and I'm not going to look into any other trades right now, because 3 stop loss I have already took today, and my point of view has totally changed, right? So let me show you. See, today I made a loss of 1%. 3 trades I took, 3 trades become my stop loss, and yeah, $480, 10 lots GBP/USD, $340, $290, right? This was 3 pip, 4.5 pip or something, 4.5 something like that, right? So these were the trades. I took my stop losses. I'm kind of in a profit of $330, and 28 days left. So that's it. There's no news as well, nothing. But I don't know why the market started to give a very good momentum. If it would have tapped over here, I would have get into an entry where, like, buy entry. It would have been a very good, very good upside, right? But it happens on market. That's it. So this was my trade breakdown for today. So thank you so much for watching. Do follow my channel, and subscribe to my Telegram as well, where I'll be posting my point of views. See, and these were the things. And I took a loss of $1,110, right? So 3 SL for the day. I'm done. I'm closing it. So thank you, and see you on tomorrow. Bye.